Hi, I am Natalia.
I'm Naomi.
And I'm Jane.
And we will be reading How I Feel written by Varsha Seshan and illustrated by Gitanjali Liar.
Sometimes my heart beats fast. Sometimes I scream and shout. Some things make me giggle. Other things make me pout. Can you tell me how I feel? And can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I smile? What makes me want to cry? Do you hear that? What is that hissing sound? I freeze. I gasp. I tremble. My eyes grow big and round. Can you tell me how I feel? Whee! Today is special. Nanny is coming to stay. My face glows and my eyes shine. I jump and shout, hooray! Can you tell me how I feel?
Ew! My shoes are stinky. I think I stepped in poop. I clench my fist. I wrinkle my nose. Yuck! Yucky do! Can you tell me how I feel? I have to return this library book, but I tore it by mistake. I chew my nails. I sweat a bit. My knees begin to shake. Can you tell me how I feel? Is that enormous package really a gift? For me? My mouth falls open. My eyebrows fly up. I wonder what it could be. Can you tell me how I feel? Yeesh! I squirm and shuffle my feet. I told a lie today. I hang my head. My face is red. I don't know what to say. Can you tell me how I feel?
Sniff. Nanny is leaving. I stand and wave goodbye. My mouth curves down, my eyes are red, and I begin to cry. Can you tell me how I feel? Grr, I'm not sleepy. I don't want to go to bed. I gnash my teeth. I stamp my feet. My face is fiery red. Can you tell me how I feel? Mama's hugs are lovely, cuddly, warm, and tight. I sigh and smile and kiss her cheek. My eyes are big and bright. Can you tell me how I feel? So this concludes how I feel. Reading is important because reading can help improve our vocabulary. This is because when we are reading, we can encounter a lot of words that we have not yet familiarized ourselves with. Okay,